Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Philip Sayce's Morning Star. This iconic blues rock anthem is a fantastic piece to add to your repertoire, showcasing powerful riffs and incredibly soulful guitar playing. We'll break down the essential elements, from tuning and gear to the core techniques and the electrifying solo. Get ready to dive into the world of dynamic blues rock and elevate your guitar skills with this fantastic song. To capture the authentic sound of Morning Star, begin by tuning your guitar down a half step to ebb standard. Philip Sayce often uses a Fender Stratocaster, which is perfect for achieving his signature blues rock tone. For effects, an Octavia fuzz pedal is crucial for those screaming lead lines, and a tube screamer will provide that classic overdrive. Don't forget a wah pedal to add expressive textures to your playing. The core of Morning Star lies in its memorable riffs and dynamic techniques. You'll encounter slides, like moving from the 9th to the 11th fret on the A string, and quick pull-offs from the 9th to the 7th fret on the G string. Philip also uses Hendrix chords, often played on the higher 4 strings, adding a unique harmonic flavor. Focus on precise bends, expressive vibrato, and incorporating double stops to truly bring these riffs to life. The solo in Morning Star is a masterclass in blues rock improvisation, characterized by aggressive bends and sustained, soulful notes. A key element is a whole step bend on the G string at the 9th fret, delivering powerful expression. Incorporate octaves and fluid slides to move across the fretboard with confidence. Remember to vary your attack and volume, using dynamics to convey the raw emotion that defines Philip Sayce's playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.